afike emathonini athola ithoni elivuliwe angigezele khona.
No, why? Bathi ikhaya leli nihlala kulo, ikhaya lingekho right.
Thokoza gogo.
And it's either niyashiya ikhaya lelo or ikhaya liyalungiswa nani niyalungiswa kulungiswe nasemsamo.
Khona ngelinye ilanga ngilele lapha ehostela kwafika abafana abayi-3 bazishintshisana ngabo.
Thokozani, I am Port Wabadimu, the advocate of Idlozi, and once again, I welcome you to Thokoza Gogo podcast. Thank you so much for choosing to viewing this video and most of all, subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments down below because I appreciate the engagement, and most of all, click on the notification button so that you are notified every time there is new content on the channel. Viewers, welcome to episode 10. Well, on today's episode, we meet a guest who actually wrote into us and wanted to share her story of how her spiritual journey has been so turbulent, it almost cost her life. So buckle up and let's hear her story. Thokozani Gogo.
Ngithokoza gogo.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Ngiyaphila Gogo. Just to let you know at home, we are not going to be showing her face for her protection because there's still a lot going on. You'll get to understand when you go deeper in the story. Gogo, ninjani?
Siyaphila gogo njani?
Ngiyaphila. Gogo, bengicela usixoxele ngejeni yakho because manibhalela ama-producers wami ngizwe kakhulu ukuthi you went through a lot of things. There was abuse, there was a lot of things and ziningi nje izinto ezibuhlungu ndlule kuzo. So ngicela uzi-explain ukuthi igama lakho ubani and then usifake estorini sakho. Thokoza Gogo.
Thokozani balaleli, thokoza nawe gogo. Ngusibongile wakwaGumede. Hey, ngisengidlule into eziningi kakhulu. Mara ngeke nje ngisho kakhulu ngizomane ngithi icezu lapho. Qale I guess it was 4 years back. Yeah. Shithi mekunenkinga yamadlozi benginawo.
Okay.
Nakhona bayibone ngathi uma mara bekimi kahle kahle. So ngihambe ke bangithumele eRathanda. Ngiye kuloyo Gobela. So eRathanda kenzeke ukuthi ke ngidibane nayo uGobela angicale la ngibeka ngibhekile angitshele lento bekangitshela zona surely bengasinto bengithi ngiyazibona mina ngoba yonke into bekangenzela yona uGobela bengasinto bengizwa abanye amathoswana asho ukuthi bebayenza. So it started when uGobela mekazothi idlozi lami alivuki so mele ngiqale ukubhema. Yabona mina ngizothi mhlambe isnave.
Gogo ima kancane. Ekhaya kune history yezinto zamadlozi.
Cha, ngingasho ukuthi cha
Ayikho.
Yeah.
So uGobela lona nize nifike kule point yokuthi athi wozuzothwasa what happened istory lapho kwenzakala.
Uma mengazongitshela ukuthi yena unabantu baphansi. Kokuthi thina lapha endlini sikhule vele kunganabantu. Engathi abantu bokuthwasa. Uyabona ugogo naye beyenza into zakhe mara ngingazi usezi. Yeah. Kula ngizocala khona ke ukuthi ngihambe elinye isonto. Lelo sonto nalo yibo bangitshela ukuthi vele idlozi lami angazi kuyaliwa nani. Abasekhaya spiritual. Ngizohamba ke ngiyeRathanda ngifike ngihlale lapho. Bengihlala lapha eRathanda ziningi into ebezenzaka lapha. Because mina bengazi ukuthi mekudluvukwa idlozi kumele kushaywe igubhu. Uyabona qala egidwe ukuthi idlozi lami. Kodwa nje lapha mina bebanginikeza ama drugs. Shithi bekanginikeza ama drugs bekazongitshela ukuthi idlozi kumele livuke ngaleyo ndlela.
Yeah.
I couldn't understand but ngoba bengifuna usizo. Ngicale ke mase ngibhema lama drugs ngibhema naye lama drugs loGobela.
Hayi Gogo.
Awu mengibhema naye ama drugs kuba la kuba ngathi sekangibamba ungitshela ukuthi bona ukuze izinto zabo zibe fast ngizosheshe ngiphume mele ngicale ngilale naye. Kula ngingasakhona khona ke ukuthi manje mekumele ngibuyele ekhaya ngifine ngibatshele ngoba umama mbekabona kahle ukuthi yimi engihlanyayo.
Azange umphuphe loGobela before uyothwasa.
Bengimphupha njalo. Bekumphupha njalo
before
ugogo.
uyothwasa or mawusephehlweni?
Bese ngiphehlweni, bese ngiyomphupha, angikaze vele yena ngamphupha. Mara bekangitshela ukuthi lamaphupho wami ngiloko ngibona ngizogcina ngimbona vele nesiphiwe engiphiwe sona.
Indaba yama-drugs nifika kanjani lapho? Lo muntu lona ugobela, but I'm trying to understand indaba yama-drugs. Nifika kanjani endabeni yama-drugs?
Ama-drugs indaba uthe mina idlozi lami alikho strong. Kuyomele ngiqale ngibheme ukuze izinto zami zizokwazi ukuthi zimuve. Ngoba uthe abaningi bese bayangishiya lapha yami mina ngizosala ngiyi-one lapha. The way into zami ziba slow ngakhona, ngcono ngibe vele umfazi wakhe. I couldn't tell anyone because nami ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe vele shuthi vele ngislow ngumzimba or ukuze izinto zami zimuve. Akuphelelanga lapho ke mengicela ukubhema ama-drugs sengiyaqala sengilala naye. Ngilala naye ngaze ngaba pregnant.
Benibhema ini gogo?
Bekuyi-crystal.
Yini leyo? Angiyazi.
Into nje ngathi ama-glass uyifaka vele kuneloli lakhona. Ulifaka khona yashiswa nje uba
No,
high.
man.
Uba high kamnandi kanjani uze ubone ukuthi vele idlozi ayiselivukile. So bekukuningi into bekangenza zona. Sometimes angilalisa ngingadlanga, angitshela ukuthi angikho mnandi the way bekangifuna ngakhona.
Hayibo. Boyo yini uthengisa ama-drugs lokho vele?
Ngazi ukuthi mina okay ukwazi kwami manje ukubona kwami mina ngangibona ukuthi akusugobela loyo. Kwakuwu fake gobela nje. Kodwa nje ebantwini bathi hayi umuntu okwaziyo ukuthi akenzele into zakhe aziphethe zonke kahle. Kodwa mina ngikubonanga nje lokho ngizibone sengumfazi mina lapha.
So bekakubhemisa lezi zinto and then bese niyalala.
Alale nami. Yeah. Ngize ngamitha. Umntana nami ungenza 2 years manje. Asuke lapho angithumele umunye ngazi ukuthi umngani or ugobela wakhe. Angisho mhlambe sekangicedile. Sekuza abanye. Angazi noma abanye nabo bayenza the very same thing bekangenza. Lapho ke sekula sengimele ngilale khona igangini sekayangicosha lo munye. From Erathana ukuthi ngibuye la ekhaya bengasena ndawo yokubuya sengana mali transport sengumuntu nje ngiqala ke ngibhema ama-drugs ngizothola i-rape la esikhangeni. Bekukuningi. Ngangithi futhi ngifuna ukubhalela ne-fake gobela ngokumoja ngiyibona. Kodwa ngoba ngabe nawe ngikuthole vele fast ngagcina ngathi ngcono ngibhalele wena. Hey bekukuningi shame. Bekakenzakala.
Yazi gogo isitori sakho like siyangithusa mina. Siyangithusa in fact because lezi zinto siyazizwa ne. But I didn't think that they are to this extent. Because emaphehlweni gogo in some instances abogobela they will give you something like intsango mhlawumbe usuke kina uphuzi so yaphuza osuke kina ubhema so yabhema. Like in my instance ngakutshela ngami mina ngisumuntu obhemayo but ephehlweni ngangibhengisa intsango kwakunezinto sasizibhema so that
uqala kwethu ukubhema saqala ngawintsango. Wabuya wathi snave. Mengabuya athi snave khona ezinye izinto wayezibhema. Kodwa yena wayebhema i-1. Njengoba sekazi ukuthi lama-glass siyawa-breaka siwafaka something into engathi round siyayishisa. Ula sicala ukuthi and uba high kamnandi kanjani uze vele ubone nawo
ukuthi useyodlozini.
Because moyibhema lento you talk too much. Like uba ne-energy.
Amathwasa bewa maningi lapha
bese 2. Njengoba mina sekazongikhipha sekazi usala nalomunye angaboni futhi ungithole lo omunye ungithole lapha and mengingamelanga ngixoxe naye nix yonke into mekumele ngisho kuye
ekhaya bathini
angishaya angilala ngishaya
ekhaya bathini
bekukude bengasakhona nokuvela ekhaya washo ukuthi nje mina ekhaya bakhiphe leyo mali uzongena bese bazongiletha bangezi nokuzongivakashela from Rathanda ngingazi umuntu angithumela komunye ukuthi hayi sekazongicedelela yena uzosala nalo asale
Okay, Gogo. Ngicela ukhululeke lana uze ekhayeni ozowethula konke okusesifubeni sakho. Just take us through your journey because angeke ngiyaunderstand ukuthi uthe sikuvale for your safety because usasama namanje. Ngizwile ukuthi there's a lot, but ngifuna buyisele kule part yokuthi mawusuka laphaya akuyise komunye ugobela uhamba laphaya na so pregnant usabhema lama drugs ubekwenzakalani lapho?
ukubona kwami shuthi ngafika lapha ngipregnant ngoba wabuza lo munye ukuthi yini ngikhulelwe angazoru ungizwe kanjani. Ngithi vele mina ngisho because nasema periodini angisawabona ama period wami since ngisuka lapha.
Ngicela usondeze imic kancane kuwe Gogo.
Ngingakhona ukumtshela ke ukuthi ngangilala naye. So mara ngazi sibeba bebazi buyithu ukuthi lento abangenza yona ukuchintshisana ngami.
So lowest two ugobela naye ulapha eRathanda na waphinda naye ulala nawo
loyo ke bekangasalani nami phela bekaphinde angirebe nokungirepa. Shuthi ngasho ukuthi ukulala nokurepa kuyafana nje kimi. Bengasabona nomehluko. Mekaceda ngami njengoba sekazongixosha angibuyele la ngivela khona. Ayikho into esezoyenza ngami. Ngipregnant uzongenza. Sukela lapho ngiphume ke sengicela isiganga saseRathanda. Gcine sengiyabhema ke. Ngibhema sengibhema vele sengiyabhema vele nje sengiyintombazana nje. Ithwasana ilamba libhema. Ngize ngithole rape.
So mawusuka lapha yana bosohlala esigangeni. Why bongaceli ihelp Gogo lezinto lezi like mazenzakala like or abantu ukuthi mhlawumbe utry kubuyela ekhaya ungafonela ekhaya or just uye emaphoyiseni like why weren't you going that route?
Ngiyakutshela Gogo nambe sengilahle ithemba ngami. Into esengidlule kuzo bese ngilahle ithemba ukuthi sekuyafana. Angibheme vele. Ngiphile nalabe ngiphila.
And then wahlala lapha eRathanda uhlele esigangeni isikhathi esingakanani?
Ngasho ukuthi ngihlele esigangeni kuleya 2 months ngipregnant kuyo. Ngathola nehostela lapha. Agcine sengisola ngise-hostel. Hostel sengiyalalwa for drug.
Maba so we drug addicts manje.
Mentally vele bengasekho right. Sengibona nangabe pregnant. Sengibona angisho ungalali bengalali vele. Ngilala mhlambe emini. Nakhona ngilala ngicuphile la ngicuphe khona. Or ngizolala ngizothatha umfana nje. Uthi just ngigeziswe angilale bese kuyinto yami vele nje yokulala. Bengasho ukuthi ne prostitution bese ngiyenza nje. Through ugobela.
Askisi Gogo. Cela tissue tu. Okay. Gogo na tissue. Askisi kakhulu. Umntana loyo uyaphila Gogo?
Umntana uyaphila yena.
Unangaki?
Uyenza 2 years unawo 8 months.
So ufike kanjani like like ngifuna ungicocele Gogo ukhuleke.
Oh okay.
Yeah, ungicocele ukhuleke.
Ukukhila kwami. Ukuzithola futhi. Ngidibane nomunye umama. Awulo mama angitshela ukuthi unesonto. Lesonto ngazuthi ilapha fasa khona ama-chaining. So lesonto leli
Bafasa ama-chain one.
bafasa abantu ngama-chain.
Why?
Mhlambe bebakuthole ungasekho esimeni mentally isobheme kakhulu.
Abo njengalaba
Abo
St. John. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Sonto engathi linjalo. Ngintshela ukuthi mina angibuye ngapha. So ngaza ngapha ngisengumxoxela le story sakaGobela. Athi hayi akunankinga mara ke uzodinga ekhaya imali engangabo 4 close to 4,000 just ukuthi nje angisize kulelo sonto. Awume ngiyibona ne-uniform yabo inhle ngiyayithanda vele mina nje ngomuntu wesonto. Hawu sukela lapho sekumele ngifonele ekhaya noma bengawazi amanamba mara nje wafika nje ukuthi umalume wami eTsakani ngakhona ukuthi ngixhumane naye azokwazi ukuthi angibhadalele lama fees angisize. Awu ibe njalo ke athi hayi akutandaba angangithatha angise lapha eTsakani if ngayazi indlela. Ngithi hayi ngiyayazi indlela. Afike eTsakani malume hayi athi akunankinga. Kunini vele simfuna singaze simbhadalele. Kanti nalapho bayangebenga. Ulelo sonto naloya mama bayangebenga.
Njani manje?
Lapha ngathi bebasebenza ngemali vele. Yeah. Basebenza ngemali ngoba ayikho nento bebanginceda ngayo. Just ngathi bebathatha amaphupho wami. Bangibuza njalo ekseni ukuthi bese ngihlala khona vele. Nabo ngathi uthi kaGobela mara isonto St John's. Njalo bangibuza amaphupho kanti bazivulela bona abanabantwana umama nalo ndoda abanamntwana. Singathi bemangithathela inhlanhla or yazi moso mentally angisekho right emqondweni.
So
sengihlala lapho sengiyaklina ngiyapheka ngiyabawashela sengumsebenzi wabo vele lapha mara bangilofa ngani ngesonto bangitshela ukuthi ke sekushoda imali impahla ezinje kusho khona ingubo bebelo basichintsha basigcoka. Yeah simekumele ngithole boma 500 phezulu kwale 3 point something bengiyikhiphile.
Umalume uyayikhipha le mali.
Umalume uyayikhipha le mali.
Uyele wamtshela umalume ukuthi njengoba buserathanda bekwenzakalani abakubona ukuthi on drugs ababoni next
but nayo mabelieve ukuthi ngizoba right futhi kule sonto.
So fast forward so uhleli lapha uyaklina.
Ngihlale lapha nayi indoda seyicala ukungibamba emsebenzini. I've been through a lot. Ngisho ukuthi mina vele awu
indoda iyalo mama lo othe iza kwami. Yena sekafuna ukulala nawe or attemptile or beseka grape full time.
Bese kangenele ebusuku.
Uphi lo mfundisi?
Khona.
Koko still awukhulumi.
Nabe ngazi nokuthi ngizowuqala phi. Ngoba nasekhaya vele bebangasangithembi.
Like I'm shocked. I'm sure you're watching this episode and you're shocked with me because this is just a lot of things that have happened. Koko kuningi.
Kuningi zengathela nokugula phezulu.
No.
Zengathela nokugula. HIV positive.
No. So lapha kamfundisi uphume kanjani?
Amfundisi ngiphume sengiphuma mina vele sengisiphendule ukuthi angeke ngisakhona ukuhlala la. Ngicela umunye umngane wami ke ukuthi ngicela ngicuphise lapha ibo kancane. Sengumuntu ke uphuza kakhulu. Uze yonke lento bengiyenzakalela.
Ama drugs wona busaqhubeka.
Nawo bengisaqhubeka.
Umntana uphi?
Umntana ngimshiyele la ngimshiye khona vele uthi ngisengizambona. So namanje ngisabhalela wona ama social ukuthi angincede ukuthi ngiwine back.
So manje gogo ukuza kwakho la eshowini ngiya understand ufuna ukukhuluma isitori sakho but mina I'm touched and izinto ezikanje I don't take them lightly. And they are very serious and close to me. And it's so sad ukuthi these things are happening and abantu are not doing anything about it. Njengoba explain ukuthi leya muntu lo uyathwasisa and then waya nasesontweni isonto lelo wesi uhlangana nomuntu okwenza into enje. In your head when you are taking lama drugs lawa and everything is what kuthini kuwe, like what is happening nje so usitshelani ukuthi
akusinandaba sengiyaphila nje ngoba kuyaphilwa and bengise ngibhemile ngisiva ngiba ngcono mara ngiyazonda usivele ngaze life kaGobe ize ngiphushele until ngize ngibe la namhlanje. Ngingakwazi mina ukuthi ngizikhuthaze mina. Ngingakwazi ukubheka abanye abantu. Ngibona nje kufana ku-easy vele ukuthi vele ngilikhulule nje ipainting ngilehlise if khona into engizifunayo ebantwini.
Uyaregreta ukuthi uyabelieve mhlawumbe if wazange uye lapha kaGobe impilo yakho kube different?
Ya kakhulu. Lokho ngokuthi ekhaya bangangilaleli. Izinto engizifisayo ukuzenza or ngithathele enhloko because mentally nakhona angikho right. At all angikho right.
Usabhema khona ukubhema?
Angeke ngicamba amanga yebo. Into engifuna nje usizo angisazi nokuthi ngizoqala kuphi. Angisazi ukuthi ngizoqala kuphi.
Angike ngikushiye ulenga just like that ne. I just want ngifuna ukukuphendula kancane ne. In terms of indaba yakho yamadlozi gogo because ngiyahlukumezeka ngokomoya. Alikho idlozi gogo, awunabo abantu abadala.
Thokoza gogo.
Lo muntu lo udlale ngawe. Right?
Thokoza gogo.
Ugogo wakho, I'm so sorry, ngachubeka mhlambe if
ngiyafuna usizo gogo Thokozani.
Ugogo wakho kunezinto bekazenza gogo ngisho usibeka umuntu ogangayo gogo kakhulu. And ukugangeni kwakhe wacrossana nezinto ezirong waba nesicelekiso siba khona ngaphezulu kwekhaya.
Thokoza gogo.
And ekhaya if we can check from umamakho and nani eniza after kuthiwe akekho ozoba nendlela eyaphambili or impumelelo. And yes ugogo kagogo kunesipho sedlozi but ubungoma bukhe ekhaya so ngizobe nginamanga if ngithi uyisangoma wena because umuntu makahamba yothwasa ubungoma mele kungukuthi isikhwama sikhona ekhaya then because mawuphuma ekuthwaseni bobungoma uyabuya futhi ucale iphehlo elibhekane nawe nedlozi. So in your case ugobela loya ukuskemile there is no such a thing. Just ukuthi kunezinto ezimile zilungiswe from way back ngogogo ugogo wakho ugogo zala umama.
Thokoza gogo ngoba ngicela ukuphazamisa kancane ugobele bekanokuthi siphume ebusuku sambe semathuneni. Afike emathuneni athola ithuna elivuliwe angezele khona.
No, why?
Mekathi ungibuyisela ungcokisa ugogo unga-understand into bekazisitsho. So I'm very confused ngami nami nje angisaziva vele isithunzi sami nje angizizwa. So mawuthi akunadlozi lento bekayenza sho ukuthi ugogo naye she was doing the very same thing ngabantu.
Yeah, ugogo kube kaphethe isikhwama esimnyama gogo if I can just ngikuphazamisa. Can I just finish so that ubekane isikhwama esimnyama gogo wakho meaning bekaganga gogo wakho. So manje into lezo zinimoshele the next generation. So basically you're living on a generational curse. So into igini nasegini la lihlala khona. Ikhala gogo likuphi?
It's the Eastern Cape.
And then la nihlala khona manje umuzi kabani?
Umuzi wakhe ugogo mara angazi uthole kanjani.
Yes, umuzi wakhe because but ikhaya leli nihlala kulo ikhaya lingekho right.
Thokoza gogo.
And it's either niyashiya ikhaya lelo or ikhaya liyalungiswa nani niyalungiswa kulungiswe nasemsamo because ugogo unezikweliti zakhe angazange azenze right. So there's just a lot of things going on and then kule party yakho particularly I feel mina unid ukucala phansi gogo anyeke it would be unfair of me ngithi hamba uyothwasa hamba uyenzani hamba uyokhuphula izithunywa uyenzeni. You are damaged from lento ongi-explainela yona manje.
Thokoza gogo. Kakhulu.
Ifamily yakho iphi?
Kwamanje nje ngiphila nomama.
And then umalume lo bekakubhadalela esontweni uphi?
Ovele wangala vele. Wathi into yami angayenza ibe right. Because angizimiselanga ukulunga. Because bese ngihamba ngihlala nje. After nalo lesonto.
Yo, I'm so overwhelmed. And then umntana ukuphi gogo?
Ngamshiya khiba umngani ile ngifuna ukulungisela yona.
Kunomntwana womfana.
Thokoza gogo.
Uyamazi lo mntana engikhuluma ngaye?
Thokozani gogo.
What happened with that situation?
Washona.
Bese nesikhathi esingakanani?
Bekana 2 months.
Ngicela ukuthi I think today's interview sizoyi khatha because ngiba overwhelmed ngokomoya. I think we are overwhelmed gogo, not in a bad way. But I want to step in and help you. Nginte one or need I right now.
Thokoza gogo.
Would you mind ukuye rehab?
Kakhulu.
Ukuyithola counseling?
Angazi. So nje bengifuna vele ukuzicalela mina phansi because lo mntana uyakhula lo mntwana.
Uyomthola kanjani umntwana? Like gogo kuningi you just said a lot of things in a short space of time, and this story, like I'm trying to put it together ukuthi okay ucale wathwasa la and then waya la and then you ended up esontweni and then now you are stuck with yourself. What is the way forward? Ukiwaphi manje?
Ukuze ngibhalele la gogo yiyo lento engifuna ukuthi impilo yami ungincede ungisize ngayo.
And then listen to rape, gogo, you need a lot of help. You need counseling. Before we can touch you, ngokwesintu, you need help, rehab, counseling, mental help. And I think into enjalo izokucela ikusize. Kumele uqale uyithole wena kuqala. Ukuthi ubani and then kuyaphi ngawe so that uzokwazi ukuthi uthole leyo mntana. I know mina the way ngisebenza ngakhona gogo, I always detach myself from indaba zabantu, especially if you're coming to the podcast or whatever, but in this instance I feel that I will step in just with that. Would say, look, I want to take you to rehab and see how that goes for you. Ngifuna ube right, because I feel good if we didn't go lapayana, maybe we'd be talking something different. You understand that? And it would be a different story. Your eyes are so dead. I'm sitting with you, but I feel like I'm sitting with a hollow soul, and it's eating me up. It would be unfortunate for me to just continue for the sake of views and all of that. It's a person's life, and you're not in a good state to even speak about izinto lezi ezikwenzakalele. Uzikhuluma so light, like it's very heavy, gogo. Like these people obabalile, they are more than one.
Baningi engicabanga khona ngelinye ilanga ngilele lapha ehostela kwafika abafana abayi-3 bazishintshisana ngabo. Ngiyalidinga usizo kakhulu. Because naye ngingumntana wentombazane.
Uyamthanda umntanakho
kakhulu.
Ungamzondi. I know ukuthi in most cases abazali they have yazi umntwana mawumthole ngale simo ese-rape. Uvele umzondi umntana, don't. Ungamzondi. Into nje mina ngizokutshela nokuthi usizo lakho, it's longer than just what we see, because wena lo mntana kusamele singenelele in terms of this rape thing. You understand that spiritually. That's why ngithi mina nje ngokuya ngami umuntu oqalwa phansi. Akusukuthi ngizothatha bamba ini or whatever. You first need to get clean. Then maso clean, I think we can come back and talk.
Thokozani gogo. Ngakujabulela lo.
So uyangivumela ukuthi ngokusiza uye rehab. I don't mind. Rehab, is it free or do people pay for rehab?
There's free and there's paid one.
Okay, I think the free ones, because I heard good abantu, they don't normally get the help. Maybe we'll do our research after the show. If we need to pay, I will personally pay for that. For that duration, uhleli rehab, I will take care of you. Only if you promise me that uzobuya ulungisa impilo yakho gogo.
Thokoza gogo. Ngizokwenza kanjalo.
Ukuthi ama-viewers la ekhaya bakuboni, but she's so beautiful. She just asked us ukuthi simvale because usasaba ugogo. Why usasaba usamsaba? Ufila ngathi usazokulandelela?
Ya, into angenze zona kakhulu vele zingenza ukuthi ngingafuni nokuthi angibone. Angifuni vele nokumbona, angifuni ukuthi angibone. Ungenza into ezibhlungu kakhulu.
Yeah, I think sicale rehab gogo. Sicale rehab. I will make sure you get the best help. And we'll take it from there. I don't know how long it takes, but however long you need, you'll stay there and utolu season. And then I think Maubuya, you'll be in a better space to start over. And then we can start with the inner work, you know, that shadow work, the healing, the spiritual work. But I don't want to overstretch myself because me assisting you will depend on how you move. I think you're the first guest we have had because we receive a lot of stories, but you know, our producer's like, no, let me just interview because, you know, but ngiyabonga ukuthi ube naleso sibindi sokuthi ufuna ukuza and watholana noPhindi and the rest is history. But all I'm saying to you is that ngiyaxolisa ngalezi zinto ezikuvelele. Omuhle ngaphakathi nangaphandle. And this is not the end of your life. If in fact it's the end for you, it's not. Okay. So just out of I just need to understand the health situation. Are you on treatment? Should we what's happening with that?
Yeah, clinic nyaye.
We are.
Yeah.
So you taking the treatment and the drugs?
Yeah. Because angakabi right since mhlambe ngisathatha drug ngicabanga kakhulu.
Malini le drug gogo?
50 rand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then more bemile right.
The whole day.
Ngiyacela rehab. Asicela rehab. I want you to be a better parent and a better mom to your child, and I want us to end this generational curse, whatever it is. Can we try that? Because I feel ukuthi usanida ukusizeka wena first. Ngiyakuzwa bofuna ukukhuluma isitori sakho and but you're not even now awukakapholi useyinhlungwini. I think once upholile you'll come back and sit here and mhlambe usicocele better ukuthi hey yes guys ngibuya kwenye into. You know what I mean? So ngibonga kakhulu for your bravery and your time Gogo. And I hope this won't be the last time I'm seeing you, and I'll make sure of it. Ngiyabonga Gogo. Well, viewers at home, a very different episode today left me in limbo and thinking about a lot of things. These gobelas, hey, actually, I feel personally, lento yokuthatha mangithi we should put a pause to it. These are things I mean, because you can't leave home ungaphuza ungabhemi and then you end up going into a space whereby you end up now being introduced to such substances. Remember, ephehlweni is supposed to be a safe space and a healing space. And I was hearing a conversation, I think a couple of days ago, people talking about, we're better than people that actually go into a setting because we self-initiate ourselves. It's not about someone self-initiating themselves and umuntu oyiphehleni. Remember, anyeke uhambe uyoyenza ubungoma if ekhaya abukho vele. I always say this. If akuna sangoma ekhaya, akekho umuntu owahamba yogida, there is nothing wrong. Because remember, as izangoma, the institution we go through, or rather the rite of passage, is intwaso kuhamba uyothola ubungoma. So there's nothing wrong if awuthwasi. Let's just put it there. There's nothing wrong with you. And if utwasile, yes, good. It means there's a bloodline for this. But my thing is now, there are people scamming people with bangene emaphehlweni, and just like we saw with ugogo, when you find out it's not even like that. We'll even go deep to find out ukuthi ekhaya it's not even that deep. Akekho umuntu owaliphuza waliphalaza. Mhlambe there are other ways we can work in either to illuminate isipho lesesikhona empilweni yakhe, but not in this instance. You know what I mean? So for me, I still rule everything out. I'm saying she was scammed. I feel our justice system also failed us. If THO is watching, you guys are also failing us. If we can get to a point whereby there's major regulation of these amaphehlo, I mean, we can do better. And if you're a parent watching this, you're being told umntanakho needs to go into Twasa, please think twice. You might be sending your child into a trap, especially if you know what's egini agazi gwaba nesangoma. I say this and I say this all the time. If egini agazi gwaba nesangoma, then it means ukuthi you do not go through the route of your twasela ubungoma. Because more twasela ubungoma, you come back, bese uyaqala idlozi now can have a sit down with you and have a podcast ukuthi nazi ukuthi where are we going, how are we moving. But if it's not like that, then don't do it. Amaphehlo are no longer what they used to be. So I will try and help as much as I can with ugogo lono Zilana. But if you'd also like to reach out a hand, you're more than welcome to reach out to our producers on the email below, as well as the number 079-816-0199. And if you also have a story to share and anything in relation to your spiritual journey and think that it might be a lesson or something in fruitful or that we can take from, then you're more than welcome to come and join us on the podcast. But from me to you with a heavy heart, it was a very heavy episode. I will see you on the next one. Thokozani.